Hey guys, Spencer here, and in this video we're going to show you how exactly candlestick charts work and how to read them, and we're going to do it in as little time as possible. So let's dive right in. Now the first thing we're going to talk about is time frame. Every time you create a candlestick chart, you create a time frame. So you can see right here it's got a bunch of different options from 1 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. And that tells you how much time is being represented by each of these candles. So you can see there's green candles, there's red candles. Now each of these candles is going to be represented in this chart by 1 day. If I switched it to 1H, that means each of these candles represents 1 hour. So you can see on the 25th of July right here, those are all the different candles. There's 24 candles. On the 26th of July, we have 24 candles as well because each of these candles represents 1 hour. And you can see if I switch it to a day, now we've got the month of April all the way through the month of May, and each of these candles represents one single day. And there'll be 30 total candles between April and May. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the color. You can see there's green candles and there are red candles. Now, the green candle means that within that time frame, so we're going to be using the 1 day time frame for the rest of this tutorial, it means that within that time frame, the price of that crypto or stock went up. So from the beginning to the end of that time frame, did it end lower or did it end higher? And if it ended higher, it's going to be green. And if it ended lower in that time frame, it's going to be red. So on a really bad day, you can see let's go on a good day. You can see right here, this was a great day for this crypto, which was called Ethereum Classic, because it started the day about $25 and it ended the day above $33. So it had a great day. And so the third thing you need to know is open and closing price. So the candle actually tells us what price it opened at and what price it closed at. So on the green candles, then you know that the price that it opened at is the bottom of the candle, not the bottom of the wick. You can see right here, those are called wicks, but the bottom of the actual thick candle part. So if I zoom in right here, that bottom right there, that's where the price opened on that day. The price opened right about $33. Okay, and you can see that it closed about $42. So another great day for this crypto. And it's just the reverse on the red candles. So we know the red candles closed lower than they opened that day or whatever time frame it is. So we know on this candle that right here, okay, about $41 is where the price started that day. And then we know that right about here, $38.14 is where the price ended that day. And we know that because we know it's a red candle. We know that the top of the physical candle is where it started, and we know that the bottom of the physical candle is where it ended. And that takes us to the very last part of a candlestick chart, and that is the wick. So you can see right here, each of these candles has a wick on top and it's got a wick on bottom. And what that means is that's the highest it actually went that day for the top wicks, and that's the lowest that it actually went that day for the bottom wicks. So you can see right here, if we look at this single individual wick, you can see that it opened here, right? It opened right there at $33. It closed at about $42 or $41. But sometime during the day, we don't know when, it actually went all the way up to about $43 or the top of that wick. Some other time during the day, it actually went all the way down to $32. I'll zoom in a little more. So right at the bottom of that wick is where the price of this went. And the same thing on the red candles. Let's go to a good red candle. You can see right here is a good one. You can see this is the main candle. This is where it opened and closed. But sometime during the day, it went up to here. And some other time during the day, it went down to here. And sometimes you'll see huge wicks. So you can see on this particular one right here, we know that it opened here at the top of this candle. We know that it closed right here at the bottom of this candle. And we know that at some point during that day, it really got hit all the way down to here. And then probably throughout the day, it slowly climbed its way back up to here. And that's how you read candlesticks charts. I'm going to leave a link down below to some other videos that actually tell you what to do with this knowledge. But now you know what to do when you look at these charts and what they're trying to tell you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like simple tutorials all about crypto, this is the channel for you.